Welcome viewers. Uh, we are coming for the today topic. You are watching the resin art. Old you can your old window uh, duplicate on the uh, new design and beautiful craft in with resin epoxy. You can decorate with marble and different items, seashells like different. You can decorate your windows beautiful looks. You are watching windows resin, decorate with the bottles, wine bottles. You are watching the flower made by the marble pieces and different particles, seashells, and decorate your old windows with resin art, resin epoxy art. You are decorating. You are watching beautiful design and colorful. Your old crashed window or old window. You can decorate your window beautiful look. You are watching now the flower pot and flowers made with resin and different marble pieces. You are watching the window decorate with the resin and marble pieces, and uh, you are watching uh, your old windows are decorating different pots, different crockeries, broken crockeries. You can use for decorating your old window mirror. And you are watching the boats are making on the windows. You are watching beautiful flowers decorate on the window. You are watching the beautiful starfish and different seashells like uh, decorate with the turtles make with marble pieces and uh, seashell and the starfish. You can decorate your old windows, crushed windows, beautiful art